MTNB Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Matinas BioPharma Holdings, yes, it is 17% up and it's 70 cents. But I'm not so down on that bullish idea, man. Like, to be perfectly honest with you, it just has this big gap that it kind of filled, and I've seen this happen thousands of times, and I'm not even exaggerating. You can see how much videos I've done. I've done 35,000 videos giving me thousands of quick predictions, documented everything. With MTNB specifically, I mean, beforehand, you know, I looked to take things lower, and it kind of delivered here after some time. And I mentioned that if I see a proper double break, I'm taking things lower. I mean, we can argue that this kind of happened, but the double break is, I mean, I'm yet to see that double break. And we can even cut it like from a lower time frame. I'm talking if I see a full candle close beneath this line, then this is a game on for me. You know, so I'm not in a rush, I'm not in a hurry, I'm just trying to be patient, follow my edge. That's about it. Everything else is fog and noise for me. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple domain way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.